Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today, I want to show you how you can save money, improve your health, improve the environment, and make your salads taste even better in less than 2 minutes, because that is how quickly you can whip up your own salad dressing. Yes, making your own salad dressing is cheaper, much healthier, and so much better for Mother Earth. Remember, processed food packaging causes enormous environmental stress. With so many compelling reasons to make your own, and frankly, zero downside, you have no excuses once you know how. So often when I serve my salads to friends and loved ones, they ask me, what's in that salad dressing? It is so good. I was just visiting my son Frazier and his wife Emily. And Frazier looked right at Emily after 2 bites of my salad and said, be sure you know how to make this dressing. Thankfully, it is ridiculously easy. Let me show you. Step 1 is to pour some extra virgin olive oil in a glass jar. Remember, extra virgin olive oil is truly a make me healthier fat and something you should strive to get into your diet daily. Then add the same amount of vinegar of your choice, any vinegar you want. So a 1-to-1 ratio. Add a bit of mustard of choice. I prefer the Dijon style. Mustard acts as a healthy emulsifier, keeping the dressing more blended, and add some body. Lastly, add a small amount of something sweet. A little honey or a little berry-based jam is best. This touch of sweet rounds out the flavor profile, balancing the tart of the vinegar and mustard, and also helps dampen the bitterness some veggies can have. This can be especially great for kids and adults who are really sensitive to the bitter taste in some veggies. Of course, there are plenty of modifications and iterations of the same basic recipe. They include adding any herbs or spices you want, substituting lemon or lime for all or part of the vinegar, adding some nut butter or tahini for a portion of the olive oil, and whatever else floats your boat. I usually make enough for about 3 days worth of salads, but feel free to make whatever amount you want. And it is fine right on the cupboard shelf for a few days at a time. I hope this tip encourages you to always make your own salad dressings and to leave the store-bought versions on the shelf. Remember, feel free to pass this video on to your friends and loved ones, because the greatest gift we can give is the gift of better health. Thank you.